Hello, my friends, and welcome. Let me share something that might surprise you. The English language has more than 170,000 words. Yes, over 170,000 words. Now be honest. Do you really think you can learn all of them? Of course not. But here is the good news. You do not need 170,000 words to speak English fluently. In fact, you can speak clear, confident daily English with just 521 simple words. Yes, only 521 words. And in today's lesson, I will show you how to speak English fluently using only these 521 words. You will learn how English really works, why most learners fail, and how simple thinking and smart practice can change your English forever. No difficult grammar. No long word lists. No pressure. Just simple English and easy practice. So please, don't skip this video, because by the end, your fear of English will be much smaller. Take a slow breath in and out. Relax. And let's begin. Part 1. Why English feels difficult. First, let us understand one important truth. Most people think English is difficult because they don't know enough words. But this is a mistake. The real problem is not vocabulary. The real problem is the wrong learning method. Let me explain very simply. English has more than 170,000 words, but even native speakers do not use all of them. A normal English speaker uses only about 2,000 to 3,000 words in daily life. And here is something interesting. Most daily conversations use a very small group of simple words. Words like I, you, we, they, go, come, do, make, good, bad, happy, sad. These words repeat again and again, every single day. This means English speaking is not about knowing many words. It is about using small words many times. Now think for a moment. How does a child learn English? What are these 521 words? These 521 words are called high-frequency words. That means they are used most of the time. They include pronouns like I, you, he, she. Simple verbs like go, come, eat, drink, work. Easy adjectives like good, bad, big, small. Daily nouns like time, food, home, money. With only these words, you can create thousands of sentences. For example, I go home. You go work. We go market. Same words, different sentences. Now remember this. Fluency does not mean big words. Fluency means speaking smoothly and comfortably. When your brain feels safe, your mouth speaks freely. This is why simple words are powerful. They reduce fear. They build confidence. They create flow. And always remember, English is a tool, not a test. You are not here to impress. You are here to express. Part 2. Sentence patterns. Now, let's learn the real secret of speaking English. That secret is called sentence patterns. Think of sentence patterns like roads and words like cars. If the road is clear, the car moves easily. If the road is broken, the car stops. Here are 5 powerful sentence patterns. Pattern 1. I want to. I want to eat. I want to learn English. I want to rest. Pattern 2. I need to. I need to go. I need to study. I need to call him. Pattern 3. I am going to. I am going to work. I am going to learn English. Pattern 4. I like to. I like to read. I like to talk. Pattern 5. I have to. I have to work. I have to study. With just these 5 patterns, you can speak hundreds of sentences. This is the magic. Your brain loves patterns. When you repeat them, they become automatic. This is fluency. Part 3. Daily life English. English is not for books. English is for life. Morning. I wake up early. I feel tired. I need water. Work or study. I go to work. I feel busy. I feel stressed. Talking to people. I need help. Can you help me? I don't understand. Feelings. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel nervous. Simple words. Real communication. People do not judge your grammar. They feel your confidence. Final message. English is not talent. English is not luck. English is a skill. And every skill grows with small daily practice. You do not need perfect English. You need simple English, spoken daily. Your goal is not to impress. Your goal is to express. Now ask yourself, will you start today or stay the same? The choice is yours.